this here in a minute. This piece here is called I Had a Dream Last Night. I had a dream last night. People died in it, right? The people were my age, 22, 32, 45, 9, and 12 gauge, were all involved. Was the problem solved? More than likely not. I could not believe I saw so many brothers shot. This dream I did not wake up from because I was not scared. I guess it's because in reality I am prepared. Every day one of my peers to die. I am prepared to see someone's mother cry. It is sad but the truth. A lot of people don't live past their youth. In this dream I saw partly how life was not fair. People started shooting without giving a care. One man shot and there was more gunfire. Saying that the shots would never retire. Young men kept falling to their knees. Then they said bystanders scream please. Some tried to duck, others tried to run. However they were shot in the back with the gun. I hope for it to cease. My dreams to see peace. But now look how reality has made my dreams come out. Now my dreams people fight and shout. There used to be peace and love. Now my third eye sees violence and blood. One of the young men in my dream thought he was a Terminator. This is not a movie. He would die sooner or later. My dreams have me look at life as a whole. And like the endings, I never exactly know. You did. So we're going to try to get our first act up here again. We had technical difficulties. We're going to let them try one more time. Yeah. Y'all show them some love. The debut. And y'all can catch clips of the shows on youtube.com/Total Talent.
God's got my back, he's there every time I call. So if you're in a bind or in trouble or in doubt, call on Jesus, I guarantee he'll show up and he'll show out.
We are not the same, I'm an apostle. That means that I'm the son, I gotta spread the gospel. And Jesus Christ is to the rescue. It's Superman, your Spider-Man, he'll come to your rescue. Listen to the words of the ruler, unless you feeling kinda scared, and if not, then let him bless you.
Call on Jesus, call